What are the uses of twill fabric? Are you a garment or a home furnishings or an accessories manufacturer who is looking for an answer to the question that how twill fabric can be used? Then do watch out this video for more clarity. Hello, this is Tushar from Charu Creation Private Limited, a fashion fabric company at Nehru Place, New Delhi. So friends, before telling you about the uses of twill fabric, I'll quickly explain what twill fabric actually is. Twill is a general term used for woven fabrics that are woven with a twill weave construction. Twill weave is one of the three fundamental types of textile weaves along with plain weave and satin weave. In twill weave, one thread goes over and under two threads repeatedly. The weft thread is passed over one or more warp threads and then under two or more warp threads and so on, with a step or offset between rows to create the characteristic diagonal pattern. This diagonal pattern is its most predominant feature. The high thread count of twill, due to its tightly woven construction, gives this textile potential to be both water and wind resistant. So if you are seeking a material which is sturdy and robust but still has a lovely drape, then twill fabric is the best option. Thanks to its diagonal weave, it drapes better than plain weave fabrics. Another key advantage is that twill withstands heavy wear and tear, making it a great choice for home furnishings, outerwear and jeans. It doesn't need to be ironed as frequently as a plain weave and is relatively easy to repair if it gets snagged. Traditionally made from cotton, twill fabric is a popular choice for when a heavy and sturdier fabric is required. There are three kinds of basic twill fabric and each has its own purpose. First is lightweight, also known as surah or foulard. Lightweight twill fabrics are made of silk or synthetic fabric such as polyester. Although the fabric used is thin, the weave makes it quite durable. This material is used for items such as neckties, lingerie, slips and linings. Then comes heavy twill. It is also known as serge. Heavy twills are traditionally used for outerwear such as trench coats. Generally, thicker versions are used for work clothing. Then comes denim. Denim which generally has blue cotton yarns in one direction and white cotton yarns in the other direction. Denim is strong and durable and a very popular choice for jeans. Other twill weaves that are often used for clothing include Calvary twill. It is smooth, made from wool with diagonal lines. Then is drill fabric. It is heavy, it is made from cotton. And then is chino fabric. It is relatively lightweight and made from cotton. Friends, I want to acknowledge you for watching this video. I hope that garments made out of our fabric collection would help you to win orders from your respective buyers and strengthen your business in these challenging times. For any inquiry regarding fabrics, you may call us at +91 997 1106 or email us at charu@charu.org.in. If you find this information useful, please subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more useful information. Thanks a lot.